Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As usual, I am back from running, so I'm gonna go eat some breakfast. Okay, so I have my protein smoothie drink. So I put frozen raspberries in it, and I've never done that before. And I don't think I'm gonna do it again. I just don't like the sweet vanilla taste with like the sour raspberries. I rather do like cocoa powder or strawberries or bananas or something, but it's okay. So yeah, I used vanilla Orgain protein powder. It's gluten-free, soy-free, vegan obviously. It's made with pea protein. I mean, it looks really pretty, but it's just not my favorite. So to calm down the sourness, I put like a half a banana. And then I also have my tea. And then I went to Celestial Seasonings like not too long ago. I have a travel vlog. I went to Colorado. That was the last video I did. So go check that out. I went to Celestial Seasonings, which is the tea place. And then I'm also going to have some of this bread. Okay, go ahead. Alright, so I'm going to have a salad as a snack because I already know I'm going to have a late lunch. I'm going to a restaurant, so I'll show you that. I'm going to get some lettuce, kale, and cabbage from my garden, and then I'm also going to mix that with a little bit of salad that I got from Whole Foods. Alright, so I went to a restaurant called Which Wich, and it's a sandwich place, and you get a paper bag and then you just check off all the things you want on your sandwich. So the main thing I got on my sandwich was a black bean burger, and then I got a bunch of other things like spinach, sauerkraut, mustard, cucumber. So for dinner I'm going to have some leftovers. I went to a Mexican restaurant yesterday. I have like so many leftovers. So it was a fajita. I'll show you what it looks like. It's just a vegetable fajita with a side of beans and rice. So for dessert, I had some So Delicious ice cream. It was caramel apple flavored, made with oat milk, and it was so delicious. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Like this video and subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this, and I will see you in another video. Bye!